On the next episode of the Self-Publishing Tips and Tricks Show, meet Martin Lejeune and Malcolm Bradley, the writing duo known as Bradley Lejeune, as they share how they co-wrote together and planned their future successes.
So how did you decide on your pen name?
Originally, we were just going to take up half the book cover saying it was by Martin Lejeune and Malcolm Bradley, even though it does now feel like pretty much all of AuthorTube is using a pen name and not who they tell you they are at all. But
what is one advantage and one disadvantage from working with a co-writer?
You don't have to do all the work, but you don't always get your own way. We do need to get an author headshot, and I really want to do one where I'm just like dressed up to the nines in a business suit and Malcolm's just a dirty hippie.
You can always do one of those couple mashups where it takes both of your features and sort of merges them together.
Oh, that's a great idea. I like that idea.
Baby would look like between Martin and Malcolm.
This might be a dangerous question to ask them, but are either of you working on separate projects?
I'm kicking around a few ideas. I might do a solo project. Oh, sorry, I've just done that thing where I announced that to the world before asking you about it, haven't I? This is one of those things you get angry at me for.
Come join us for this YouTube premiere of their interview this Thursday, September 15th, 2022 at 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.